Hi everyone! Who doesn't want to be able to create summer skin quickly, beautifully? I'm going to show you today how to create this gorgeous kind of golden hour glow using two products complemented by a third, but you can either use Soleil Riche, which is our newest Beauty Butter bronzer shade, or you can use our Coup de Soleil, which is a little bit lighter, just giving myself a little bit of warmth to my skin. I touch my skin ever so slightly. I feel like I've seen this kind of light in Palm Springs, and that always inspires me. Gently go over your forehead, your eyes, under your eyes, across your cheeks. Don't think of it as cosmetics. Think of it more as you're really warming up your skin tone. Anything to add a golden kind of, pop. First trick with a bronzer, no shimmer. Never any shimmer with your bronzer, because then it looks cosmetic. It doesn't look bronzy. You can give yourself a tiny bit just to match your neck to your face, but I don't really go lower than kind of my cheekbone, because I don't want to be all uniform, monotone. Getting ready for my golden hour, complemented by our new lit up shade called Brûlée, which is a really beautiful kind of rich, I would say butterscotch mocha kind of color, see? And it gives you warmth and it gives you luminosity, which I love. So with Brûlée, I like to actually go over my cheekbone as opposed to above my cheekbone, because it does have some pigment payoff, but it kind of creates a radiance so you don't look too flat. It catches the light so beautifully. You can put it on your lips, on your eyes, pat it in with my fingers. You can also use the baby blender, it's very pretty also. So all of our lit up products have this gorgeous glassy texture. It's kind of like I just had a facial and my skin is really perky and beautiful, and I'm gonna just pop some on my eyelids, why not? Warmth, radiance, give some definition. So lastly, I would like to use our new Squeaky Clean liquid lip balm in New, because I think peach, coral, those tones are so complementary to kind of this bronzy summer skin, this golden hour skin. Cheers and happy golden hour summer skin. Bye.